In the mid-range market, they told us the choice was simple: raw power or safe tradition. But what if your phone was more than a tool? What if it was like your glasses, your bag, or even your favorite perfume? This is the Xiaomi 14 CIVI, a device that walks the runway like a fashion accessory, stepping out of the shadows into the light. Vegan leather, refined glass, and the Leica signature. Plus, a promise. Group selfies that finally fit everyone, without compromise. But here's the burning doubt. To deliver so much style in such a slim frame, did Xiaomi sacrifice the soul of performance? The first victory is emotional and tactile. At just 177 grams, it weighs less than a fashion magazine. The vegan leather feels like the texture of a luxury bag, and the quad-curved screen flows under the light like pure silk. 6.55 inches of AMOLED, 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 3,000 nits of brightness. Each pixel shining like a spotlight on the runway. At its heart lies the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Fast, elegant, but in a body this thin, heat is inevitable. And when the marathon begins, stability dissolves, like fabric rippling in the summer heat. In stress tests, the CIVI holds just half its power after minutes. It's not the arena warrior, it's the backstage sprinter. Perfect for social apps, editing photos, short videos, but a real challenge for long gaming sessions or heavy rendering. And then, the Leica lens. Not just a badge, but an eye. The telephoto acts like the eye of an eagle, revealing hidden details. Leica vibrant and authentic modes turn every frame into a magazine spread, with colors that demand no editing. The dual selfie cameras feel like magic. One captures you with precision, the other opens wide, like a Polaroid unfolding, fitting every friend naturally, without stretching the arm. But here come the trade-offs. The telephoto lacks optical stabilization. Low-light shots tremble. The slim body heats under pressure, and HyperOS still carries shadows of bloatware. Yet, the CIVI is more than a phone. It's a fashion accessory that photographs like a creative tool. In a sea of monochrome clones, it glows neon, a stylish rebel for those who refuse to be the same. Buy the Xiaomi 14 CIVI if you are the essential stylist. If you see your phone as part of your outfit. If you want group selfies that finally work. Think twice if you live for long gaming marathons. Here, overheating will be a constant reminder. The Xiaomi 14 CIVI isn't just a smartphone with a good camera. It's a fashion accessory, walking the runway from your pocket. And the question it leaves is clear. Will you trade a little endurance for a lot more style and the perfect group selfie? Tell us in the comments, is style your priority, or would you sacrifice it for pure performance?